Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, foodies! In this video, I will show you how to make delicious KFC-style chicken lollipops right in your kitchen. First, let's prepare our chicken. You'll need about 10 to 12 chicken winglets. Carefully push the meat down the bone to create that iconic lollipop shape. This not only looks great, but also helps the chicken cook evenly, ensuring every bite is perfectly tender and juicy. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in the final result. Now, let's infuse our chicken with incredible flavor using a secret marinade. In a bowl, mix together 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1.5 teaspoons of white vinegar. For that signature spicy kick, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Mix well and let your chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes or even longer for deeper flavor. You can also add a dash of tomato ketchup for a hint of sweetness. The key to that irresistible KFC-style crunch is our crispy coating. In a separate bowl, combine 1/4 cup of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. For an extra crispy texture, you can use a double coating method. First, coat the marinated chicken in the dry flour mixture. Then, dip it into 1 whisked egg, and finally, coat it again in the dry mixture. Make sure each lollipop is completely covered to achieve that perfect golden brown crispiness when fried. Finally, it's time to fry our lollipops to golden perfection. Heat enough cooking oil in a deep pan to 170 degrees Celsius. Carefully drop the coated chicken lollipops into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them in batches for about 10 to 12 minutes, flipping occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once done, remove them and place on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these crispy delights immediately with your favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.